Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn a very interesting thing but a very important thing, infinite nested radicals. These type of questions come in many competitive exams and they are very important to know. Today I will let you know them in easy and simple ways and also some easy tricks to calculate these types of questions very fast. So let's start with the first question. Root 12 plus root 12 plus it goes till infinity. So now first I will let you know the trick. The trick is, in these types of questions, try to break this number into two factors which have a difference of 1. How can we break 12 into such two factors? 12 we can break into 3 and 4 which have a difference of 1. So now if the sign here is plus, you take the bigger factor, and if the sign here is minus as is in the second question, you take the smaller factor. So the answer of the first question should be 4 and of the second question should be 3. Okay. So now the third question. Here the number concerned is 10. We can't break it into two such factors which have a difference of 1. So what to do here? In these types of questions, we have to either travel forward or backward depending on the sign. If the sign is plus, as is in the question 3, you travel forward, meaning you increase 111 and search if there is any number closest to, any number greater than 10 but closest to 10 which have two such factors with difference of 1. What is one such number? 11, you can't do it. 12, yes, we can do it. So we can do it 3 and 4. Now this will not tell you the actual answer, but this will give you an estimation that the root will lie between 3 and 4. And same in the case of question 4, travel backward since the sign is minus 1. So there you will find 9, no you can't do it. 8, no you can't do it. 7, no you can't do it. 6, yes you can do it. 2 and 3. So the answer will lie between 2 and 3 here. Now how will we find the actual answer here? So here comes the formula which we have to use in these cases. I'm showing you only a general case. X is equal to root a plus this goes on till infinity. How will we find this? X square is equal to a plus root a plus infinity. Now see, this is actually x only, so we can write it x square is equal to a plus x. Okay, so now just solve this quadratic equation. X square minus x minus a is equal to 0. Using Sridhar Acharya, we will find that x is equal to 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 4a by 2. Now since it will give a positive answer from this root, so we neglect this negative sign and we write x is equal to root over 4a plus 1 by 2. And if it's in the question is a minus, if the question is x is equal to root over a minus till infinity, then x is equal to root over 4a plus 1 only minus 1 by 2. So this is the formula. So now using the formula you can solve any question of this type. So that question numbers 3 and 4 now we will solve. Question number 3, it will give us x is equal to root over, we will put 10 in place of a, so root over 41 plus 1 by 2, and 4 it will give x is equal to root over 41 minus 1 by 2. If you see, this x lies between 3 and 4 and this x lies between 2 and 3, so that trick works. Now I will also show you why that trick works. Why that trick works when you can break the a into two factors with a difference of 1. I will show you that. See, if you see this equations, quadratic equation, the sum of the roots is 1, which means that the modulus of the difference of the two will be always 1, but one will be negative, one will be positive, and which one will be negative, which one will be positive, that depends on the sign of the question. Okay. Now coming to question number 5. Here the signs are alternate, plus minus plus minus. Actually we will solve question number 5 and 6 together. Okay, so we take x is equal to question number 5 and y is equal to the thing in question number 6, root over 5 minus root over 5 plus root over 5 minus till infinity. What we'll do x square. X square is equal to 5 plus x, sorry, 5 plus root over 5 minus x, and y square is equal to 5 minus root over 5 plus x. Okay. Now actually we can also say that this 5 minus x thing is y only. See, we can say it. So we can write it x square is equal to 5 plus y, and here also we can write it y square is equal to 5 minus x. Okay, sorry, this was y. Now what to do? Subtract these two. X square minus y square is equal to 5 will get cancelled and it will give x plus y. Okay, so now x minus y into x plus y is equal to x plus y. X plus y gets cancelled since the sum of these two can never be 0. So x minus y is equal to 1, x is equal to y plus 1. Okay. Now what to do here? X is equal to y plus 1 we have got. Now substitute in any of the two equations. I am doing it in the first equation. X square is equal to 5 plus y. So put y plus 1, or you can also put y in x. So we have got, we can write y is equal to x minus 1. So x square is equal to 5 x square is equal to 5 plus x minus 1, which will give me x square is equal to, see, now I don't want to do it for 5, I want to do it for a general, so I'm taking 5 as a constant. Okay, so that will give me x square is equal to a plus x minus 1, x square minus x plus 1 minus a is equal to 0. Now solve this by Sridharacharya. X is equal to 1. We will not take the minus sign, we will take only the plus sign. So x is equal to 1 plus root over 1 minus 4 into 1 minus a by 2. And this gives me root over 4a minus 3 plus 1 by 2. So now if we put 5 here, we will get the answer x is equal to root over, this will become 20 minus 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to root over 17 plus 1 by 2. This is the answer of question number 5. And 6 also we can get in this way. X is equal to root over 17 plus 1 by 2, but here it will not be plus, it will only be minus. Okay, because it has to be decreased by 1, and so minus 1 minus this will be plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula for questions like number 5 and number 6. Just remember this formula. One is for the series if plus comes first, and another is if minus comes first. Just remember these two and then you can solve all questions like that. So now comes question number 7. Root over 10, root over 10, root over 10, it goes till infinity. So how will solve these type of questions? I will solve with a constant a, then I will put 10. Okay, x is equal to root over a it goes till infinity. Just square it. X square is equal to a root over a root over a. This is x only, so x square is equal to ax. Now this will give us two values. X is equal to 0, x is equal to a. Reject this value, accept this one. So x is equal to a. So question number 7 answer will be x is equal to 10. Okay. Now question number 8. Cube root of 4, cube root of 4, cube root of 4 goes till infinity. I will once again do it with a constant. X is equal to cube root of a, cube root of a, cube root of a. Now cube that. X cube is equal to a, and the next part will be x only. So x can't be 0, so just cut it. X square is equal to a, and so x is equal to root a. We are rejecting the negative root, we are accepting only the positive root, so x is equal to root a. So the question will have the answer x is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Now you can also make an observation from these two questions. So now the observation which I was speaking about. See, the previous two questions were of this type. X is equal to nth root of a, nth root of a consecutively till infinity. So now x to the power n is equal to ax, x to the power n minus 1 is equal to a, x is equal to a to the power 1 by n minus 1. This is how we can work out such questions. Now in the first question, a was 10, so a is equal to 10 and n was 2, so x was 10 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, which gives us 10. And in the next question, a is equal to 4, n is equal to 3, so x is equal to 4 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 4 to the power half is equal to 2. So you have got the formula for this type of question. Now comes question number 9 and 10. Question number 9. Now this is not till infinity, only 4 times. Root over 5, root over 5, root over 5, root over 5. First we will calculate it without any tricks, without any formula, using hardcore calculation. See, this is 5 root, so 5 to the power half. Then it's multiplied with 5, so plus 1. Okay. Then again it's square root, so half in, so that I am now writing only the power. Okay, half into half plus 1. Then it's multiplied with another 5, so plus 1. Again square root, so again half, and again plus 1, again square root. So this is the total power. Okay, 5 to the power, this will be the answer. Now I will not calculate this properly. I will just try to form a pattern. See, half into half into half into half. So I can write this 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus half into half into half into 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus half into half into 1 1 by 2 to the power 2, 1 by half into 1, 1 by 2. So this is a GP series. Now sum of a GP series, use the formula a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. So half into 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So now this gives us half into 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 by half gets cancelled. Now it gives us 2 to the power 4 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4, which is 15 by 16. Okay, so the answer will be 5 to the power 15 by 16. Okay, now question number 10. I've already done it here, just see it. This time 7 to the power something, 7 to the power something. So now that something we have to calculate, we again calculate like the previous question, 1/3 into 1/3 into 1/3 plus 1, and we'll do like that. Then we get a GP series, then we calculate the sum of that GP series, and it will give us 1/3 1 minus 1 by 3 to the 3 by 2/3. So 3 will get cancelled. Then it will be 3 cube minus 1 by 2 into 3 cube. So that will give us 26 by 2 3 cube. So that will give us 13 by 3 cube, meaning 13 by 27. So the answer will become 7 to the power 13 by 27. Okay, so now we will derive a general formula for both the questions 9 and 10. Even if the power is 4 5, we can use that formula for every question of this type. Okay, so let's derive the formula now. So now we are deriving the general formula. Okay, suppose it's given nth root of a x times. Okay, so the GP series, as we can see from observation, it will come out to be 1 by n plus 1 by n square plus 1 by n cube, and this will go on till 1 by n to the power x. Okay, so then sum of the GP series, it will come out to be 1 by this one. Okay, and then will get cancelled, and it will give us n to the power x minus 1 by n to the power x into n minus 1. Now for the first question, x was I think it was 4. Yes, x was 4 and n was 2 square root. So if we put the values here, we will get 2 to the power 4 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4. It will give us 15 by 16. And in the next question, it was x 3 and also 3. So that gives us 3 to the power 3 minus 1 by 3 to the power 3 into 2. And so this gives us 13 by 27. Okay, so I think you have got the formula. Now I will also at last again show you the formulas for all the questions we have discussed today. Okay, and so just have a look at all these formulae. These are the formulae which we have derived or used in all our problems today, and these will help you in solving more problems. I hope everyone likes this video. All feedbacks are welcome, and please subscribe my channel if you have still not subscribed. Please like and share the videos. Thanks.